So today we installed a trailer hitch. That's about it. Here's some time lapse. Here we are. We have a tow hitch. I have a ball that'll fit this trailer and that trailer all the way over there. We just need a receiver. Looks like a 2-inch receiver. And then we can tow stuff with our truck, which makes it a lot more useful. Currently only have a 4-pin hooked up, but I think, well, I know I have parts to hook up. I've got a 7-pin, 4-pin split. I need to make a bracket that'll hold it in place and then find a place to mount it somewhere on the truck. But once that's in, then we can hook up to pretty much anything. I don't have a trailer brake controller, but it'll at least do lights. So as long as we know what we're hauling and we're not hauling anything super heavy, then we can at least have lighting for everything. So there you go. There's your update for the day. We'll see you on Monday.